Hello, I'm Dr. David Schiffman, and I'm a faculty research associate at Arizona State University in the United States. I'm an interdisciplinary marine conservation biologist, which means that I don't just study the fish, I study the human side, the laws, the policy, the economics. What do people want? What do people know? What do people fear? With an explicit goal of trying to better understand threatened species so we can better conserve, manage, and protect them. So I work on threatened species of sharks and rays in general, rather than one specific species. Extinction is when a species is just gone from the face of the earth. All of the remaining individuals have died. And this does happen naturally, but right now, due to the way that humans negatively impact the environment, it's happening much, 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 much more often than it would be happening naturally. And this can have a variety of devastating ecological impacts depending on what species you're talking about. Many species of sharks in particular are especially ecologically important because of their role as top predators. And there are lots of shark species that are considered threatened with extinction, according to the IUCN Red List, which is an international group of scientific and management experts that apply standardized criteria to assess how endangered or how threatened different species are. The latest analysis shows that about a third, 1 in 3, of all known species of sharks and their relatives are considered threatened with extinction, with many species considered to be critically endangered. Critically endangered is the absolute worst assessment. It means there's a very real chance of losing those species to extinction relatively soon, if nothing is done to protect them. But the good news is extinction is not inevitable. With better science-based conservation and management, you can stop the risk of extinction. You can stop species declines, and you can even lead to species recoveries. This requires better science to understand the threats and understand what the possible solutions to those threats are. And this is a lot of the stuff that I work on. So I am very hopeful for the future of many shark species because more and more people care and want to help and want to learn more than ever before. And the threats that these animals face are very real, but it's very important to understand that we need your help in order to protect these animals, and more people are offering to help. So I am optimistic about these species while acknowledging that their threats are very real. If anyone wants to learn more about these issues, I invite you to follow me on social media, on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I am at Why Sharks Matter, and I'm always happy to answer any questions that anyone has about sharks and shark conservation. Thanks for listening.